Marie Curie's life, from Nanny to Nobel. Imagine a world where being a woman meant doors were closed, especially in science. Now picture one woman who didn't just knock, she broke those doors down. This is the incredible journey of Marie Curie, from a simple nanny to a Nobel Prize winner. Born in Poland, Marie loved to learn, but universities were not open to women. To help her sister study medicine, Marie worked as a nanny, saving every penny for her own education. This showed her incredible determination. Working as a nanny was hard, but Marie never gave up on her dream. She secretly studied in her free time, reading science books whenever she could. This perseverance was key to her future success. Finally, Marie saved enough money to move to Paris and study at the Sorbonne. She faced many challenges as a woman in a male-dominated field, but her passion for science kept her going. Her courage was inspiring. In Paris, Marie met Pierre Curie, a fellow scientist. Together, they worked tirelessly in a basic laboratory, facing many difficulties but driven by their shared love for discovery. Their collaboration led to amazing things. Marie and Pierre's hard work paid off. They won the Nobel Prize in Physics for their groundbreaking research on radioactivity. Marie Curie became the first woman to ever receive this prestigious award. Her achievement was remarkable. Even after Pierre's tragic death, Marie continued her research. She went on to win a second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, for her discovery of the elements polonium and radium. She remains the only person to have won Nobel Prizes in two different scientific fields. Her legacy is immense. Marie Curie's life teaches us that with determination, perseverance, courage, and collaboration, anything is possible. What dreams are you pursuing? Share this inspiring story with someone who needs a boost of motivation.